Welcome back to the channel. What we have in here today is an early 2000s Toyota Tundra, and it has a frame issue. And this was a job that was passed on to me because the original guy was a little too busy, I guess, and somehow I got the call. But anyway, now it's in here, and what we have is a frame issue. And you can see where I started down here, and kind of see what's going on the other side. But Toyotas make very thin frames back in the day, and they actually recalled a lot of them, and they just replaced the frame. I don't know what the qualifications are, but somehow this one didn't meet it. Anyway, this is where the double frame kind of starts in the back here, and you can see where I cut the two rivet heads off because I need it flat because I'm throwing a piece of steel there. I'll show you in a minute. It's on the little rolly cart. And anyway, now I just got to prep this a little further and throw the little patch plate on there, and we're gonna go from there. The only thing sketchy is the fuel tank's right above it, but you know, is what it is. We'll live and learn, and we'll see if we can blow up. But we'll do this side, and then we'll do that side, get it prepped, and go from there. You can really see that back part with the hanger starting to get bad too, so I don't know. This might have to get readdressed later on, but anyway, we're going to start with these little patches. It's going to pretty much go from this rear bolt to almost the hole up there, and just, you know, give it a little structure. And the reason why she's having this done at all is because it did not pass inspection because of that issue. So here we are. Okay, got some light for you. We have both sides. That's kind of what we're doing. And because there is a little contour in the frame, that's why I have the clamps. That way, I pretty much use the quick clamp in the middle just to hold it there while I set up the big C clamps. And then you just kind of suck it down tight. And now all we gotta do is sand up the surface a little and get to welding. So, I guess I'll show you the settings. I have this thing set to 3/16. If it'll, you know, focus. And basically this is just the preset that the machine comes out with, 19 volts and 330 inch per minute, and that's on the line, in case anybody didn't know. And I find actually that those presets, they do really well. And never I guess, but very rarely do I find myself tweaking them dramatically at all. So Lincoln did a good job with that. And this is basically what it looks like. This is about 14 inches long. And I tried double passing, because what I did over here, I double passed and I thought it looked sick. So I tried double passing, and my first one I think looked better. And it was just as secure, really. Because as you're going with a good mask and good settings, you can see what kind of penetration you're getting. You can see the metal kind of fold around it. And it was good. It was good on the first pass and looked pretty good, but I tried to make it beautiful, and I kind of went a little too slow, actually, and I bunched up too much. But maybe I'll show you the inside. The inside is the only hard part, because I can't even see what I'm looking at. Because that's just where the rusty section is. So as anybody knows, it's a little hard to clean up rust perfectly. So I just went little, you know, dot by dot, and then to get it secured, and then I went over it again, and basically I made a triple pass on the inside where the rusted part is. Make sure it's all really good. But that is right in the way. That's gonna do it for today's video. I need to do the other side, but that has the gas tank. It's gonna take a little longer. I want to, you know, be a little more careful over there. So, well, till next video. This has been fun with the Toyota. Short-lived. I knew it was going to be. That's okay. We'll see if she ends up coming back for anything. See if she likes some work. I don't really know. This frame's kind of iffy. Surprised they didn't replace it, because usually they just warranty it out and it's not a big deal. But apparently it was this time. So here I am. But thanks for watching. Tune in very soon, maybe tomorrow. I'll film a video about the 73 flatbed with the 7.3 Power Stroke in it. Little update video. I've been meaning to do it for a while. Meant to do it all this week, but it ended up, every time I got to the shop, it was already dark out, and it was raining yesterday. Yesterday would have been the only day. If it was sunny, I would have done it. But soon. So maybe tomorrow I'll film it, edit it, maybe get it up tomorrow night or Sunday for you guys. I know someone asked for an update, and it's been it's been long overdue. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave any questions, comments below, whatever you want to see happen next, and see what we can do. But thanks for watching. Have a good night.